Deep breaths. It's time to get in touch with the breath that grounds us in our bodies and holds us safely within the spirit of our beingness. The soul of the Virgo walks this world as a sacred and whole being, holy and divine, shining from the inside out. Can you feel the shift of energetics when we slow down enough to witness our own breath, our own beating heart? We have the chance to witness ourselves falling in step with the seasons around us, because they are too within us. The calm after the storm. We are given the opportunity to utilize the remaining remnants of this season to propel us deeper into ourselves. The Virgo archetype, depicted as a feminine entity who is complete and whole unto oneself, teaches us that we all win in the end when we live in our own sovereignty. When we can become utterly honest with ourselves about what belongs to us and what belongs to others, while also knowing we are never separate from one another, all reflections and projections of one another, we can come to a place where we begin to know ourselves so deeply that we live our lives in ways that express the truest and most authentic versions of who we are. We become the strength we may have previously sought outside of ourselves. We build the muscles of our mind by utilizing our mental capacity to live in ways that are critical to our personal well-being, as well as the well-being of the earth and all we share this planet and universe with. While the Virgo energy is of the earth, it is all-encompassing of the spiritual realms. It is omnipresence at its finest. To be draped in the cloak of this astrological energy is to be drenched in what makes this earth keep turning as we travel through the galaxies of what has been and what is to come. In these times, we have a choice: seek perfection and struggle, or stand in our devotion, both feet planted firmly on the ground as we allow ourselves to flow with the unfolding of a grand plan in the divine order of the universe. What is life without intention? What is our existence without being empowered in our own embodied groundedness? How do we move in this world while constantly stepping into our own sovereignty? Are we able to take moments in our lives to create space for creative expression and conscious connection? Do we take time to reset ourselves while immersing ourselves within the earthly abundance that surrounds us? Do we take time to strengthen ourselves with stillness and gentle, wild self-expression? be given the grace to release anything that does not serve my greatest good in this moment of time. May I continue to open to all the blessings of the universe. May I be open to all my dreams coming to fruition. May I release control. May I surrender to all the magic that comes my way. May I always remember to live in beauty and gratitude. May I easily and gracefully cut the ties to situations that are hindering my growth and prosperity. I release any and all anxiety and worry into the fire. Thanks for joining me on my full moon beach fire ritual. I feel so grateful to be able to come and be in these places in nature that nourish my soul so thoroughly. I feel grateful to be able to share this experience with other people through these beautiful lines of technology. I feel so grateful to be able to live so slowly, to attune my inner rhythm with the rhythms of the moon and nature in general. I feel so grateful to be able to immerse myself in the seasons. I am grateful to be tuned into the elements of nature. I give thanks to the element of earth for holding me here in this moment, for keeping me grounded and supporting me in my earthly visions and dreams. I give thanks to the element of water for nourishing my soul, for allowing me to be more in tune with my emotions and to offer the beauty of cleansing through its spirit. I give thanks to the element of air for listening to my dreams and carrying them off into the ethers wherever they are meant to go. I give thanks to the element of fire for igniting passion within me, for fueling my creative endeavors. I give thanks to the ancestors of this land and the ancestors that I carry in my own blood, in my own lineage. I acknowledge and give thanks to all of the kin that I share this planet with, that I share this universe with, all of the elements of the natural world.